Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to pad in and pad out the sound in CapCut apps. So for example, I'm going to open my project and this is zone I have added, and to add the pad in, just click on the zone and you can find pad option. Just click on it and adjust for the pad in and pad out. For example, 5 seconds. Then for the first pad in, and for the just going to split before and remove unused. So just put the pad out in 5 seconds again, so you can see and listen. Alright, it's so basically I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.